Introducing next-level sleep from Tempur-Pedic. The all-new Tempur-Ergo Smart Base senses and responds to snoring automatically. Highly responsive sensors monitor your breathing and heart rate and adjust your head position when snoring is detected. It's truly transformative sleep from Tempur-Pedic. All night, every night. At Ashley, we provide free delivery and removal, plus get up to 5-year special interest financing and $300 in Ashley cash. Visit Ashley HomeStore today for the latest Tempur-Pedic technology.